Hello, my name is Captain Kenothia, Dishu Kenothia. I'd like to welcome you on my flight KQ117 from Amsterdam to Nairobi. Welcome. Just about to prepare the aircraft for the flight. Welcome.
My name is Mwangi. I'm the first officer on this flight. I'll be assisting Captain Kinuthia on the flight to Amsterdam. And welcome to the flight. For now, we're just checking the route, and then we'll do our cockpit preparations. As you can see, the passengers have already started boarding, so we'll just finish up everything. We're just getting the weather. Then we do a small brief. Then we'll be ready for takeoff. So, other than that, enjoy the flight.
Just preparation for departure. This is the airport map. We are parked on Foxtrot 4, which will be seen here. So we push back and then taxi out via 16 Alpha, and then we will proceed to the runway. We are departing today runway 18, which we taxi then to Alpha 13 November to cross the other runway, then join runway 18 for the departure. Standard company left seat takeoff. For any serious malfunction before heading out, we'll call stop outside the parking bricks. Between 80 and V1, we only stop for fires, engine failure, separation, obstacle on the runway, predictive wind shear, or any other malfunction that makes this aircraft unsafe to fly. In case of stop, I'll call stop. Close the throttle lever, select full reverse. You monitor deceleration, silence audio. When you're completely stopped outside the parking brakes, then we do recoil items followed by no-normal checklist on command. After passing V1, we are committed for takeoff. No action below 1,000 feet except to raise the gear, select full power on command, and silence audios. For engine-related malfunction or malfunction requiring recoil items, we accelerate at 3,000 feet, clean up on schedule. After cleanup, we continue climbing on LNAV, VNAV, then do recoil items followed by no-normal checklist. Or other malfunction, cleanup will be at 3,000 feet.
Yeah.
Then we make a decision whether to proceed with the flight or come back for a landing.
Okay.
Be aware of current capacitation at all times.
Okay.
Kenya 117, pushback approved, stand by for pull out.
Copy, clear push, standing by pull out, Kenya 117.
Ground.
Yes, sir. Bravo, ready taxi.
We are clear to push, stand by for
19
pull.
Bravo.
Okay, release parking brakes.
Bravo, ready taxi. Stand by
Brake
taxi,
release,
waiting
clear for hydraulics.
Yes, sir. Harness plane is installed. You can
Okay.
hydraulics.
Okay, before start checklist.
Kilo 1622 all the way to Delta 49. Delta 49, Kilo 622.
Can before start checklist, passenger signs? Check. Cockpit windows door?
Locked.
Check. Trim?
0, 0, and 7 units set.
Check. Fuel quantity?
We have 69.7 reads is checked.
Check. MCP?
Is set.
Check. CDU?
Set.
Set. Transponder?
On or power off.
Check. Before start checklist complete.
Start checklist complete.
Okay.
The ground, you can tell us when you're ready for engine start.
Yes, sir.
Airbus behind is cleared and pushback approved, Kilo 1451.
Check all pressure right.
359, taxi Echo 6, cross 27.
And pushback is completed. Set parking brakes.
Brakes at the park.
Thank you.
Okay, ground, we have 2 normal start, all equipped away, signals on the left.
Okay, have a nice flight and hand shields on left hand side. Goodbye.
Okay, bye.
Check. Clean selected. Cabin ready.
Drop this is to accept Mike, taxi to runway 18 left. Kenya 117, taxi to runway 18 left. Take second right and taxi Bravo.
18 left, second right, taxi Bravo, Kenya 117. Okay, and the right is clear.
Clear side.
Check, and we use Bravo.
Okay, tax light on.
Check that's light coming on.
Come 855, give
on Bravo,
Kenya, crossing right,
Bravo.
taxi 2406. Kenya 1293, after the Airbus is taxied out behind, pushback approved. After the average pushback approach, Kenya 1293. Kenya 117, you are number 1 to cross 27.
Number 1 to cross 27, Kenya 117. Okay, number 1.
For 1.
North Shuttle 2, Yankee Whiskey, clear takeoff 24, and the wind is 200 on 1. Takeoff, Yankee Whiskey. Kenya 117, you clear takeoff 101 is left, to be 210.
Clear takeoff, Kenya 117. Okay, clear for takeoff?
9909,
Yeah.
right, ready for departure. MS 9909, roger, hold short.
Takeoff camera can go.
Check.
9909.
Can before takeoff checklist, takeoff briefing,
Reviewed.
check. Cabin secure and BA,
Confirmed.
check. Ground maneuver cameras,
Jersey 89,
Off.
hotel
Check.
line behind the
And,
737
EFB.
on the left. One behind the 737, Jersey 89.
Set.
check, set. Before takeoff checklist complete.
For takeoff checklist complete.
Check, fuel is noted.
Okay, clear for takeoff.
Check, clear for takeoff.
Call improving.
Check.
Thrust right.
Check thrust ref. Takeoff thrust set.
Got a 1451, you clear takeoff 24 now, the wind 210.
80 knots. Hold.
Checks.
Approaching 18 left, 6 ready for departure. 5 is 1, line of 1 is left, sector 6. 9 avoid, 1 is left, 9 is 1.
V1. Rotate.
MS 9989, behind this umbrella you may line up runway, share 8 behind.
Positive rate.
Line up in
You have selected.
Air nav.
Check air nav engaged.
Thrust right, being off speed.
Check thrust ref, wind speed.
5 at 1, you clear takeoff 1 is left, and the wind is 200 on 1. Clear for takeoff 1 is left, 5 at 1. Ken 377 Juliet, speakers are yours, 15 miles, you are almost number 1 in traffic. Copy, back to Shamrock 377. Pendant 212, fly heading 265, left and base, here for you it's about 26 miles to go. Heading 265 for left base, that's correct, on 212.
Departures Kenya 117, that was 2300, Phoenix 1 Echo.
Good evening, Kenya 117, climb level 130.
Climb 130, Kenya 117. Okay, climb 130.
130.
Lot 269er, good evening, set course direct Sierra Papa Yankee.
130 set.
Right, descent level
Okay.
45.
Sierra Papa Yankee, ILS 18 right, descent 45 slot, 269.
Ready with 58 micro,
Acceleration.
Down to
Acceleration.
Standard.
Check transition.